Hey guys, Roger Gadet here again. Today I'm going to do, I know I had this demo before, but I'm doing the blue drop. So I'm going to be testing for the concentration of hydrogen. Okay, so what I have is these blue drops here. Okay, it's from MIZ. I had to order these. Unfortunately, I had to buy 200 bottles just to get the one bottle I wanted to try, but you know, it's worth it. So what I found out is from people in the field that there is other H2 blue drops, there's other hydrogen drops out there, but what I found is this has the best drop, so it's not a big splashy drop, and people say that these work the best. So it's up to you to try what you like. But basically what it measures is the amount of hydrogen there is in a liquid, dissolved hydrogen. But the way it works is each drop equals 0.1 parts per million, okay, of concentration of hydrogen. And if the blue disappears in the liquid, that means it's neutralizing. So you got to think of free radicals, okay? They get neutralized with antioxidants. Now, when they get neutralized with antioxidants, it turns them right to water, okay? So if I put blue drops in one of these drinks and they don't turn blue, or I mean it stays blue, then that means there's no antioxidants in that water to neutralize the free radicals. So the reason I did this demo is I was told by someone that plated technology cannot produce hydrogen. Okay, so what I'm going to do is show you why Enagic's purest and purest platinum and titanium, why it's medical grade, and the amount of wattage we use can produce hydrogen. So let me show you. I'll just run my water on 9.5. And just so you know, the only thing that can really affect this demo is if you're running your water too fast, or maybe it's time to clean your machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put about half a glass. And the cool thing is with this kit comes a little bottle, and you fill it to here, and you could actually measure per drop how much your concentration is. But in here is this Vortex 9.5, very popular because it says it's high pH, it's full of electrolytes, okay? But actually in there it says it's got potassium, okay? So at the same time, I'm going to show you with a glass that it actually is. And this dissipates with time too. But I'm just going to show you with pH drops that it's actually what's in here, okay? So, okay, so slightly purple. So they say it's on the healthier side, right? So put that down. So now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put 5 drops in each. Now remember, if it goes clear, that means there's antioxidants or that hydrogen to neutralize them free radicals. So 5 drops will actually equal 500,000 free radicals. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'll give this a little stir. Give this a little stir. So what happened? This measures the concentration of hydrogen. If there was no hydrogen in Kangen water, that wouldn't go clear. So now we're able to neutralize the free radicals and then help our body. Okay? So now, let me see if I could neutralize the rest of it. Completely went clear. So in actuality, I just neutralized 1,000,000 free radicals with 1 glass of Kangen water. Now, I'm going to show you how we could do this without the filter too. Okay? So here we go. I have to wait for it to clean. The beauty of this K8 is as it's flushing, it stores water to flush itself, and it cleans the plates at the same time. Yet we have another E-Clean kit as well. So take the filter out. I'll put it in, and it'll chirp at me, and you'll see. So this little cartridge here is actually empty, and we use it to flush the line when we put citric acid to clean our machine. Okay, so, whoops. Okay, so now, let me get some fresh glasses here. And even better is, I'm going to use Santivia, alkalized minerals. This thing could actually fool the ORP meter and actually give you a minus. So remember, the slower the flow rate, the more hydrogen. Just like when we're making 11.5 for the distributors out. Wrong hand. For the distributors out there, when you're making 11.5, you want to run the water slower. So now this is without a filter. So like again, I'm going to fill it to halfway, and I run it slow because I want the power in this. Okay? So then in here, and I'm leaving the water run only because it'll start yelling at me to fill it up. So what these guys do is they use magnesium and potassium, and the two chemicals react together. Remember, inorganic minerals not good for our body. So hopefully there's half in here. So imagine that, you got to fill this every 2 minutes. So now I'm going to do the same thing. 5 drops in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? No filter Kangen water. 2, 3, 4, 5. There was an extra one in there. I'll put one more just to be sure. Okay? So look at that. Are you just peeing your antioxidants away like you would in here with these chemicals? And then look at that. We neutralized all the free radicals. And now your body could pee it away. So now, let's see what we could do in here. And hopefully neutralize the rest of it. You can see it. It's slowly getting clearer and clearer and clearer. Again, neutralizing it. And just so you see what is in this, let me do the pH of this as well. Purple. Supposed to be healthy. Yet, if the hydrogen is the massive antioxidant, it's going to give our body them electrons it needs. Okay? Alkalinity is just a byproduct of the hydrogen and the antioxidants that we produce. .5, baby. Magic. Change your water, change your life.